everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Masterclass. I'm Emily, and with me is Charles. And today, we're diving into something all English learners struggle with, the fear of speaking English.
Yeah, we're talking about something every English learner deals with, that fear of speaking English in front of people.
Oh yeah, that nervous feeling when your brain says, don't mess up, and then boom, you forget every English word you ever learned.
Exactly. And honestly, that's normal. Everyone makes mistakes. Even native speakers mess up sometimes.
Right. The problem isn't making mistakes. It's being too scared to even try. You don't need perfect grammar to communicate. You just need courage.
That's facts! Think of it like going to the gym. You get stronger the more you practice. You don't build fluency by staying silent.
Yes. Start small. Speak with your friends, classmates, or even talk to yourself in English. It might feel weird at first, but it really helps.
And record yourself too. When you listen back, you'll hear progress. Little by little, your confidence grows.
Also, stop comparing yourself to others. Everyone learns at a different speed. Your only competition is who you were yesterday.
That's gold right there. Just keep talking, keep learning, and keep improving. Mistakes don't mean failure. They mean you're growing.
Exactly. So from today, don't let fear stop you. Speak with confidence, even if your English isn't perfect yet.
Because confidence starts before fluency.
Well said, Charles. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mr. English Masterclass.
We'll see you in the next lesson. Keep speaking English and keep shining.